In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a demo account inside of HeroFX. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to HeroFX.co. From here, you'll need to log into an account or register for an account if you don't already have one. From here, you'll need to complete the KYC, but you don't actually need that to register for a demo account. You'll just simply need to go over to the account section and open a demo account right here. Once you're in this page, you'll need to choose an account, and there are two trading platforms that HeroFX provides. It's either TradeLocker or MetaTrader 5. So you'll need to choose the one that is suitable for you over here. And then from here, you'll just need to click Create Account. From here, you'll see this page where you'll need to click Agree to open account and create. From here, you can see that the account has been successfully created. And you can click Deposit over here, where you can deposit how much money you want to put into this demo account. And don't worry, this is not real money and only fictional. So let's just click in 10K and deposit. As you can see down here on the demo inside of the accounts tab, you will see your demo account right here. And then you can click on it and then find your credentials to log into MetaTrader 5 or TradeLocker. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya.